So I've tried bleeding the brakes on the black car, but it was unsuccessful. I tried the gravity method. I thought it was working, but after probably an hour of messing around, I sealed it all back up again, dropped the car down onto the floor, brake pedal goes all the way to the floor, so that did not work. So I've got my friend Chris Robinson from TR7 V8 channel coming round this morning to do it the old-fashioned way. So he's going to sit inside the car and I'm going to be at the back. The usual thing, up, down, and we'll see how that goes. Here's Christopher come to help me with bleeding my brakes.
Greetings.
You in, yeah?
In.
Cool.
Fucking that switch is a fucking kneecap taker offer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa. I reckon I've got the tidiest garage on YouTube land.
That would be a no then. You ready? We're going up.
Where we landed? Malaga.
Yeah. Ferry, get out. Go on, out, move. So I've suspended the ball here, which is below the bleed nipple, obviously. Do you know what?
Is it good news?
No, not really. I've got a weep from the bleed nipple. It's not sealing properly. It's wet around, you know what I mean? Even though it's tightened up. It's really tight, but it's still weeping. I've got two. I've got metric and imperial here.
You slave cylinders?
Yep.
Well, they come with the proper nipples, don't they?
Well,
You'd think.
supposedly, yeah. I think what I'll do is, before I continue,
Swap it out.
I'll just put another one in. The one that's in it now is obviously not the right one. I dried it all up last night. It was bone dry. And this morning, you can see where it's been weeping. Not on the end where the fluid's supposed to come out, but around where the threads are, you know what I mean? So I wanna put that rag in there because we're gonna lose a bit of fluid. Undo this one.
You want me to push the pedal down when you're taking it out to get covered in brake?
Oh yeah, hang on, let me just get my eye lined up with it first though.
Alright then, go on. You say, Brad.
Right.
The joys of home mechanicking.
Let's try this one.
Did you hear the comment when we drove in?
What was that?
Oh, you don't see many of them these days. And then I came up behind you and goes, oh, one turns up and then there's another one.
Right, let's have a look at this. Okay. Phew. Just dry this off now. Let's put a different one in, but whether it's the right one, I don't know. But we will find out. Let's see whether this one leaks or not. Right, all the fluid's cleaned off it now.
Just tell me when you want me to push the pedal down to blind you with brake fluid.
Yeah. Okay, let's have a look now. So I've changed the bleed nipple to the right one now, I think. Do you just pump the brakes a bit? I know you're not going to get nothing on the pedal, like, but at least I'll be able to see whether it's leaking or not, you know what I mean?
You want me to push down hard?
Yeah? Right, there's no leak from that now. Yeah, there's no leak from it, so that must be the right one. Yeah. Alright, okay, I shall proceed put this on the bleeding nipple like.
Listen to find out how much air comes out of it.
Yeah, probably bloody loads. Right, so she's on there now. Okay, right. Go ahead, give it a pump.
Down,
Yeah, is it down?
down,
Okay, up,
up,
down.
down,
Bloody hell, there's loads of air coming out of it.
still down,
Yeah, go on, you go up now.
up,
Go on. Down.
down,
Bloody hell, she's coming off really well. Up,
up,
down,
down,
up,
up,
down,
down,
up,
up,
down,
down,
up,
up,
down.
down.
Right. What's it feel like now? Any better?
Still down,
Yeah, you can go. Yeah, that's it now. You can go up. Sorry.
up,
Yeah. What's it like now? Any pressure coming back into it?
yeah. Feels good. Do you want to give it another go just for a laugh?
Hang on a sec. Just want to make sure I've got no fluid leaking out of this bleeding nipple.
Yeah, much air out, John.
Loads.
Nice one.
Right, go on. So just pump it a few times, Chris. What's it like? Does it feel like there's a break there?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, what's the name? A load of air came out of that then, so...
That was stopped it, Jesus.
How far down does the pedal go? About halfway?
Not even halfway.
Okay, fine, that'll do me then. I'll just nip this up properly. Okay, that's it. Pull the end off.
It was 5p in here. I rocked there.
5 pence?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I found that under one of the seats. Right, let's get this.
It wouldn't have been a wallet with £1 million in it, would it?
Well, no, unfortunately not. So it looks like we've... Oh, sorry. Yeah, it looks like the brakes are sorted.
That's a good one, John.
Yeah, nice one. Okay, let's get you down off the ramp.
Got a sinking feeling.
It's a good job we're slim, isn't it?
Yeah, works for me.
Right, I'm going to put you down.
Alright.
Touchdown.
Right. You give this a try then and see what you think. Thank you, you bastard.
The thing I like about the TR7s, they're really easy to get in and out of, aren't they?
Yeah, especially when you're a gym master like me. Give that a go.
Right, let's try this brake. Yeah, seat's about a mile back.
I got these bloody long legs, haven't I?
Oh.
There's no air in it, is there?
No, fine. Out, get out, easy.
Yeah, stylish.
Hey?
Stylish getting in and out of these things, isn't it?
Yeah, it's easy. Just put your feet on the floor first, and then just get up like that.
Yeah, try with the skirt on.
Job's a good one.
Done.
I'll do for me. I can move it around now, you see. Right, so quick, let's get back to here. The problem getting in and out is because the car is still, well, I don't know what, probably about 10 inches off the floor because it's on the ramp. That's why it was so awkward to get in and out. They're not really that hard to get in and out of.
You are when it's on a bloody ramp.
Well, when it's on a ramp, yeah. Oh well, Chris, thank you very much for the help.
My pleasure.
It's much appreciated. We now have brakes. Cool. I was going to say, welcome to
TR7 world.
the TR7 land, yeah. People want to know where all the TR7s are. Well, if you come to Connors Quay, you'll see quite a few of them. And there's another 3 or 4 up the road. So that's the brakes on the black car, successfully bled thanks to Chris's help. Just shows you the old methods are still the best. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So the next stage now is to work on the fronts. I need to replace the front struts, the springs and the shockeys. I ain't going to mess around with them. I'm going to take the struts off the car, but my local garage, which is literally 100 yards from where I live, it's got a hydraulic press. He said he'll do them for me, no problems. I have got a tool that will take the spring off. It's like a clamp which goes either side of the spring and you have to tighten it up with a spanner. But I just don't trust them. Don't feel safe using them. So rather than mess around and to be safe, I'll let the garage do it. So that's it for this one, folks. Thanks very much for tuning in and watching. I'm so glad to have sorted them brakes finally on that black car. With the help from Chris Robinson, obviously, it's much appreciated. So over the last few weeks, I picked up quite a few subscribers. I'm absolutely overwhelmed by it. To all my new subscribers, welcome to the channel and thank you very much indeed. And also to my existing subscribers, thank you very much as well. So listen, if you've liked what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. You know, it is absolutely free and it really does help the channel. So until next time, bye for now.